Hello children, today I will give you the exercises of chapter 4 in English grammar, singular and plural nouns. So let us revise once what are singular nouns and what are plural nouns. Singular nouns that denote one person, place or thing referred to as singular nouns. Plural nouns, nouns that denote more than one person, place or thing. They are called plural nouns. So there are so many ways to change singular nouns into plural nouns. I had taught you yesterday. Let us revise once. To make the plural, the most nouns add s, like frock, frocks, desk, desks. If a noun ends in double s, then we use es, like class, classes, bus, buses, dish, dishes, watch, watches, box, boxes. There are so many examples. Third rule was, if a noun ends in a consonant followed by y, we change into I and add es. As ruby, rubies, we shall remove y and we shall put ies. City, cities, story, stories. If a noun ends in y having a vowel before it, we shall add only s, like key, keys, toy, twice, boy, boys. If a noun ends in f or fe, add s to some, and in some f and fe is changed into ves, like chief, chiefs, believe, believes, hoof, hoofs, leaf, leaves. So there are different rules. There are some irregular nouns like man, men, woman, women, goose, geese, child, children, ox, oxen. Furniture will remain in furniture only, fish, fish. No changes there. Then cactus, cacti, oasis, oasis. Only spelling changes. oasis changes into oases. So some nouns are used only in plural form, like spectacles, trousers, scissors, tongs, etc. So children, now let me take the exercise number 1. This is number B. B exercise. Tick the correct plural form of the nouns given below. Now let us tick the correct form of plural nouns. Now number 1 is penny. Penny, pennies, pennys. Which one is correct? Middle one is correct. Crutch, crutches, third one is correct. Person will change into people. Cactus, cacti. Firefly, fireflies, third one. Speedboat, speedboats. Bacterium, bacteria, bacterias. Which one is correct? Bacteria is correct. Deers, deers, deer. Deer will remain deer only. So third one is correct. Now come to the C exercise. I saw a farmer's ox grazing in the field. In this, you have to rewrite the following sentences using the plurals of the underlined word. In the first sentence, which word is underlined? Ox. So what is the plural of ox? Oxen. So the rest of the sentence will remain the same, and only we have to change ox into oxen. First one you see, I saw the farmer's ox grazing in the field. This is the question. Answer you will write, I saw the farmer's oxen grazing in the field. Jayant is more than 5 foot tall. Foot, what is the plural of foot? Foot plural is feet. So we shall write that Jayant is more than 5 feet tall. Mother bought more than 5 kilogram of rice. Mother bought more than 5 kilograms of rice. Please remain seated until the aircraft arrives. So here aircraft will not change because we just read aircraft will remain the same. So we shall write the same. Please remain seated until the aircraft arrives. Okay, no changes there. The horses were moving around with their hoof clicking against the rocks. Hoof will change into hooves. So the horses were moving around there with their hooves clicking against the rocks. Now come to the next exercise. Write the plural forms of the words given below. Mosquito, mosquitoes, es will come. Watermelon, watermelons. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Country, countries. Thief, thieves. Gentleman, gentlemen. Trout, trouts. Valley, valleys. So children, thank you and have a nice day.